Hi guys. I'm sorry this computer is loaded up because Noah just put some time on this computer and now it's blue. And I don't know if it's put that but I don't know. It's really weird. So I'm just trying to make it red. Oh wait, that's much better. Alright, that's much better. I did make it much better. So guys, thank you so much. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but I've been doing stuff. Anyways, I've got a lot of subscribers recently, and we hit the milestone of 200. But the reason why is because most of these new subscribers are mapping. So I might see if I might do an app, like might look at an app, where I can do some mapping or something, but I don't know. Stuff to map, but I don't know, I can't do that yet, because all these people keep touching it. But I can't really find anything to do except for this. So anyways, I'm just gonna see if I can, but I'm not doing it right now. So that's not what the thing is about. Just since I have all the channels who like it, I might do it. Anyways, today we're gonna do so this is the stuff with me. Now I tried one time, but he accidentally died. So let's try again. And we're on the so anyways, I got 5.5 million. So guys, you can just watch me while I play. And yeah, that's me playing Double Circle. Anyways guys, let's get started. Let me just do yeah guys, let's get started. I started the timer. I already hit 2. I didn't see who got the time. What does that even mean, guys? I have no idea what that means. Today's July 24th, and I don't expect anything special. Just a random day. Here we get started. Oh wait, you probably can't hear me. Sorry, you couldn't hear me that way. Now you can hear me, guys. Okay. I'm sorry that if you couldn't hear me, but I said that I might do mapping soon since I got 80 subscribers, and some of those subscribers are now mapping channels. Cause I was watching a mapping channel and they such. Alright, anyways, let's get started. I want to try to get 100 subscribers, guys. I need more subscribers. What is it? I mean, 80 is good enough. Anyways, let's just play this one. And talk about this Dust Man thing. Anyways. So I'm doing pretty well here so far. And yeah. Oh! Well, I don't think I didn't get that flower. I did get the mystery box. Guys, I'm making a video. Guys! What is that? Oh, is that a bug? No, I don't know. There's something. I don't think it was. Oh no, it's probably this. Oh! See, this is what happens when you don't pay attention. You got the bad guy chasing me. Oh no, actually it's a good guy. I'm the bad guy. But I don't want to be the bad guy. Yeah. We're not going to complete this for 24 hours. Or in fact, 365 days. Year. I can't play that for a year. Or can I? No, it's not always 24 hours. I still don't think I can do because I need some sleep. But maybe not 24 hours in a row. Maybe I can pause it when I go to sleep. Or want to relax sometimes and take a break from life. So maybe I could do that, but it'll probably take me 10 days. But still. I would probably not do that. So this is only going to take me about an hour to complete. So yeah, let's just see. There's a lot of things. I bet. Anyways. Okay, I got 1,000 kills there. Ooh, that was close, man. That was very, very, very close. Oh, what a goal. Let me not try this video. I think I might. Alright, Mommy, can you move the charger over here? I'm playing Subway Surfers. Do we have enough spaces? I think I might. Alright, I have enough space. I knew oh my god, that was perfect. That's what it was. perfect again. No, can you close the door? No, can you close the door? No. Can you close the door? Can you close? Oh, by the way, guys. Guys, by the way, my cousin has a YouTube channel. It's called, Unicorn Awesome. Look that up, cause she's like doing all this girl stuff, like slime and all this other stuff. Yeah, I was on a few videos. We're cousins, that's why. No, stop.
Hi, guys. I haven't really been able to.
No, stop. You're gonna make me. No way. No, because it. Well, no, this is just. It was. Well, it kind of was, but it was. So no, what do you? No, stop! You're gonna make me make this game ruined. No, stop. Oh. So, no, stop. Alright, I have a jetpack. I have a jetpack. Things. Okay, do my thing now. No. You have to put a face on it, and then I'll get mad when it wakes up.
Put it on.
No! You do it.
Oh.
No, don't do it. No, it's just you're gonna get yourself dirty.
Okay. Take
I don't know. Are you using a Sharpie? Yeah, you can't use a Sharpie. I get 1 million points, guys. Yeah, we got them from Vine, guys.
Oh, it seems so mad.
Can I see the face? Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Close.
Close your mouth.
Fine, I'll close my mouth.
Alright, so, well, he's got SNS now.
Guys, I'm making a video.
He's got the name of it.
I'm making a video.
Okay, see you later.
Whenever they say bad words, I'm just gonna, like my parents say bad words, I'm gonna say, I'm making a video. Yeah, I'm making a video, guys. They're gonna make a video. Ooh, that was close. comment the video. Yeah, mommy, be careful. Mommy, they can. Stop. Wait, what is it? Oh, alright. After I play this game, which will take about 45 minutes. 45 minutes. I'm sorry, I can't move. I mean, I might go into the bedroom, but I can't really play in the bedroom and show the YouTubers.
Happy birthday.
Alright, guys.
Alright. Now what do we do?
Slide.
We're gonna make one of these?
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, while you're waiting for me to upload this video, go check their video that's going to be uploaded soon.
You can do my work one. This one or this one?
But I'll use this one. May I use this one just for show?
Yes. So guys, thank you for 80 subscribers.
So I'm gonna need a small one. I think I have one in mind.
Okay.
Now I'm winning. I know. Alright guys, I beat my top one score, and now I'm trying to beat this unicorn guy. Guys, that's a unicorn. I'm trying to be a person that has a profile of a unicorn. I don't want to be it now. It's so majestic. It's a majestic unicorn. Guys, look, it's a majestic unicorn. I mean, you guys might not see it, but it's a majestic unicorn, guys. I don't want to beat this dude, because that's a majestic unicorn. Like, maybe. Be careful. One down. Pretty easy And yeah, the reason why I didn't do one yesterday, guys, no, last week, is because I didn't make it in time to choose my next top one. And I was stuck at Antigua and Barbuda, so yeah. But now I'm on Argentina. Wait. Well, didn't I miss Armenia? Wait, no, Armenia's after Argentina. Oh! Woo! That was so close, guys. Did you see how close that was? That was so close. And I didn't even get to die too soon. Wow. Here everywhere. Although, it's just like one good haircut. Still like color. So. I think so. Yeah, guys, I got a haircut. Yeah. No, yeah. So guys, I'm gonna see if I can do mapping. Because I'm not really sure if I can do mapping. I just need to find a map or something. But if I don't want to, I don't have to. But I don't know. Also subscribe to battles too. But I can't really find the app. I mean, I could go to Social Blade. I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do subscriber count. When I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna show the Social Blade sub count. I think I will. Like, when I have 99, I'm just gonna make a video, and then when I hit 100, I might not notice it right away, because that might be doing other things, so. But, anyways, I'll just show the sub count. So, yeah. But anyways, I currently have 80 subscribers, which is a good amount. I mean, it's a good. But yesterday, I think I hit the jackpot. Well, no, 2 days ago. I got the most subscribers I earned in one day. I think. I'm pretty sure I did. Well, maybe it was a tie, but I hit 6 subscribers in one day. At the beginning, I had 72 subscribers, and at the end, I had 78. And then yesterday, I also hit a little jackpot. I hit 2 more subscribers. At first, it was 78, and then it was 80. And today, I still haven't hit a subscriber because I can't. Anyways, this is my channel. And yeah. Alright, anyways, let's continue. Actually, this is going much quicker than I thought. Like, I'm already at 2 million. And seriously, I like how it's going so far. I just don't want anybody to see me. And I can't do a live stream of this because it's the time where people can be able to see it. So I don't do live streams. If I do live streams, there would be a few people. Just a few. I mean, a few. There would be like at least 10 people. Well, my parents would also be there, but I don't know. At least like 5 people that I don't know. That's pretty much it. But, and this is not a live stream. This is just a regular video. That's it. Yeah, but you don't have to watch the whole thing. But it makes it a little bit more easier for you. So, yeah. Anyways, we'll see if we get any comments on this video and likes. If we get 5 likes on this video, 5 likes. Alright, 5 likes. If I get 5 likes on this video, I might do mapping. Like, a few months. Like, in a few months, or maybe even a few weeks, if we get 5 likes. But we don't. Well, it's okay. I still make it. Ah! Fail again. Wait, no. Never mind. I'm gonna try again. Why does this keep happening? So guys, I'm still going to upload this video since I haven't uploaded in a while because I had a lot of things to do. But I didn't make it. So I might not make this one, but... So anyways, do you see this? So now, I'm in 4th place. Before I was in 7th, and now I'm in 4th. Okay, no, wasn't it? No, I think I was in 5th. Now I'm in 4th. Before I was in 6th. So it's still need to chances good. But anyways, I really hope you guys like this video. I know I didn't make it, but I'll try again another day. So guys, this one really So guys, I really hope that you like this video. And please subscribe to more videos if you like my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.